it can work in Karamoja in a way that there is enough land, regenerative agriculture in Karamoja region, we shall make it a greener place and a better place to live in.
We always think of what we bring in, and then automatically we get something out. And I think this is very important, especially in many areas where we have monocrops, and we think that this is the most efficient way. We here learn that the more diversity we have, and the more there is on one field, the better it is.
We are learning how we can integrate different plants in a small piece of land. As you can see, this is the place which is like, I can say, 8 by 10 meter, and it's a kitchen area.
When you look at this tree line, when it comes to fodder, imagine how many goats you can feed with this. The amount of fodder in just this two line, this one and the other one. But imagine just coming and just chopping this one a day. This is enough for, if you are going to supplement with another napier, you can put for 5 goats and they are comfortable there. Problem solved.
We are observing that what we did at first, if you compare it to the current situation, this was the right choice for us.